Rich Strani with TMC here. Thanks for watching. We're at Interop 2013. I'm speaking with Dave, who's with Enterasys. Dave, how are you? Welcome to the show.
Very good, Rich. Thank you.
So tell me, what are you showing here to people who visit your booth?
Well, as apropos right now, it's software-defined networking is all the talk of the show, and we're launching our software-defined networking open API here at the show. It's something that we've been developing for quite some time, and in fact, we have released products in support of it over the last several years. So we feel we're really ahead of the wave right now with our solutions. Behind me right here, we actually have a description of our One Fabric data center solution in the SDN space, which provides automation and orchestration with our products and solutions, as well as with VMware, Citrix, and Microsoft Hyper-V.
Very exciting, so lots of interoperability with a lot of other companies as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. And if you listen to some of the addresses in the keynotes, it's very much in line with what you heard at the show itself, which is it's less about the southbound APIs and how the switches themselves are actually provisioned, and more about how the northbound API provides the value to the customer of solving real problems with taking the system and interacting that with their existing third-party applications.
Really abstraction of the lower levels.
It is, absolutely. It's building an abstraction layer, but it's also making sure that you have visibility and control all the way through into those lower levels, and that's what we think is unique and powerful about our solution.
Now what about your solution and interoperability with other vendors?
So we have a good, better, best kind of approach to that. So we certainly like to position our infrastructure products. Enterasys manufactures switches, routers, wireless access points, all of the above. But we can know and interoperate with different manufacturers in that space as well. So our solutions, our middleware layer, as it were, our controllers, really enables us to operate with third-party devices, both from other vendors in the space, as well as northbound into other applications. And that can be customized, not just with the ones I've mentioned, which is ones that we've done, but with our new open API, those can be customized with any third-party applications.
What other trends are we seeing in the market other than what we just talked about with northbound APIs, SDN?
So we're seeing some really interesting trends as it relates to mobility in the market as well. Mobility really is the other topic that we think is very important. The increasing number of mobile devices, of users on the networks, the stresses that those are putting on the wireless networks and the LAN infrastructures behind them. We really think that that's going to be one of the major trends for how networks get deployed over the next several years, is adapting and adopting the network designs into those needs.
Certainly 802.11ac is going to be a big driver there, because I mean it's really wired, and wireline speeds are going to be almost equivalent.
It is, but we really think that's a slightly more nuanced approach than just 11ac. It's really 5 gigahertz as the primary vehicle for wireless transfer that's going to enable a more dense cell overlay that's going to enable those speeds. So channel bonding and advanced QAM, that's beneficial, but really it's an adoption of a new deployment methodology that will enable that wired-like performance on the wireless.
So final question, I'll just allow you to elaborate on anything else we missed and or what's next.
So we really see another trend that's coming down the pipe in application awareness as well. And so you should look for a couple of announcements from us over the rest of this year. The first of those will be coming up around data center, specifically in a new suite of products that we'll be releasing this June. And then following that, a whole new set of interesting application awareness platforms as well.
Thanks for your time, Dave.
Thank you very much, Rich.